If you're a baking enthusiast, odds are you have a stand mixer for heavy-duty jobs. But when your recipe calls for lighter tasks, such as beating egg whites or mixing batter, we recommend using a reliable hand mixer. In addition to desserts, hand mixers help home cooks shred chicken in a snap and nail the fluffiest mashed potatoes. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best hand mixers in 2023. So let's get started.
Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
Number 1. Cuisinart. 90 BCS. This model earned high marks from our testers, emphasizing its intuitive design and functional attachments. The mixer comes with 2 beaters, 2 dough hooks, 1 balloon whisk, and a spatula, all of which are housed in a convenient snap-on storage case. Featuring 9 speeds, it's suitable for light and thick recipes and produces minimal splattering out of the bowl thanks to 3 low-speed modes. If you don't think you'll need 9 speeds, there are other options available ranging from 3 to 8. Number 2. KitchenAid Variable Speed Cordless Hand Mixer. A hand mixer should operate as a more convenient version of a stand mixer, and this cordless option from KitchenAid is by far the most convenient we tested. It has a sleek design with simple functionality, and you can easily toggle between the 7 speeds with one hand. We love that the base is solid, so you can set the mixer down between uses without it tipping over. It's easy to hold and comfortable to use, and the motor is smooth and quiet even when dealing with tough ingredients. This mixer comes with 2 beaters that are dishwasher safe for easy cleanup and simple storage. Overall, this is a solid choice for home bakers who want to streamline their kitchen with a more efficient gadget. Number 3. KitchenAid Ultra Power 5-Speed Hand Mixer. If you're looking for a fuss-free model that gets the job done, the KitchenAid 5-Speed Hand Mixer is an excellent choice. It's easy to operate, comfortable, powerful, and at a reasonable price for those who don't want to spend upwards of $100. During our tests, we were very impressed by how well it combined the cookie ingredients into a consistent dough, despite having just beaters instead of dough hooks. The mixer also produced a beautiful whipped cream with minimal splatter. Other useful features are its lockable swivel cord to keep your area mess-free and its beater ejector button to easily release the whisks for a quick cleanup. Number 4. Black Plus Decker Helix Performance Premium Hand. If you're looking for a faster, easier way to mix cake batter, whipped cream, and soft doughs, but you don't want to spend a lot for functions you'll never use, this mixer fills the bill. It's got an ergonomic design and nylon helix beaters that offer 2 times more surface area than your typical wire beater. Our tester highly recommended it for those on a tight budget and looking to use it occasionally. The Black Plus Decker Helix mixer is lightweight, so it's not tiring to hold, and it has 5 speeds, so you can start slow and work your way up to a faster speed for whipping or beating. Number 5. Oster HeatSoft Hand Mixer. If you have a habit of eagerly whipping out your baking ingredients before realizing that the recipe calls for softened butter, this hand mixer is for you. Rather than risk melting it into a puddle in a microwave, reach for this hand mixer with heat technology. The Oster gently softens cold ingredients 12 times faster, and it does so while you mix. No need to wait until they reach room temperature. Of course, you can use without the heat as a regular mixer as well. The mixer boasts a 270-watt motor and 7 speeds, plus a power boost. Eject the included beaters, dough hooks, and whisk using the lever for easy cleanup. All are dishwasher safe, as is the magnetic nozzle. That was our list of the top 5 best hand mixers just for you.